So anybody who's seen the infinity mirror that I made recently will have seen that although the sandblaster worked well, the actual recovery method of the sand wasn't great, and we had a bit of a spillage everywhere. So what I'm going to do next, before I do any more sandblasting, is I'm going to use my new Kreg, it's the R3 kit, to make a little sort of box effectively that I can put the pieces in, blast away, and it should hopefully contain the sand. What I'm also going to use it for is somewhere to mount my belt sander as well, and help with the dust extraction when I'm working on that. So stay tuned and I will see you at the end. Okay, so if you've never used a Kreg kit before, which I haven't, as I understand it, you set the depth stop on here, by putting the drill bit hard up against there, and then on the side here you can see some markings, and that just tells you where to put your collar, which is tightened with a little Allen key. And then on this bit itself, which you clamp down, there's some lines here where you can see the thickness of the material. Now, because this is American, it's all in inches, but 1/2 inch and 12mm are, I think, close enough to the same so that it's not really going to make any difference. It certainly looks like a pocket hole anyway. So in the end, what I found was that when I put something in for sandblasting, that bit of ply that I had on the front just got in the way, especially when you need to get that part that contains all the grit. It just wasn't allowing it to get close enough. So I've taken that off, which meant that bit of oak that I'd put in was then running loose, so I've secured that with a couple of screws. So now it's very quick and easy to move it from sandblasting use. So just take that out, that comes out, move that block, so it's put back in the middle, and then it's very quick, just to lower that back in again, put the clamps back in, and then you're away and you've got your belt sander. So the only thing that I'm thinking I might still do is figure out a way that I can mount that way up, so I do like to use it that way as well sometimes. It's very easy just to mount it on the workbench when it's like that, so I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do that, but I think that what I really wanted to do is get something where I can have it, hold it like that, get one of my this isn't anything really, it's just a leftover bit, but then you can really go about sort of shaping along there much nicer, because you've got this nice flat edge to sort of run the piece on, and but when you're doing that, at least you sort of staying flat together. You can also run it that way, flatten quite a big bit at once. There's not that much of a gap between the belt and the wood. If I could maybe get it closer, and what I could do there, that might be where this bit of ply comes in handy. If I really needed something sort of zero clearance, I could screw that down, just run the sander, and obviously that will find its own, it will sand itself down so that it's zero clearance. So yeah, that's it, done. Very quick, very simple. Certainly a big fan of the pocket holes now, having never used them before. So let's see what I can make with this in some future videos. And if you do want to see that, then obviously subscribe, share it with your friends if you think they'll find it useful, and thanks for watching.